Okay, I'm going to talk about soldering the buckle crossbar on a buckle. And I'm going to start with handy flux. Just flux up the buckle real good in the bar. This is the nickel crossbar that I've built, and I've got a holder that holds it down on the buckle. I've got two holes drilled in the buckle with the bar sitting into those two holes. This little U-bolt thing here is real handy. It's like a third hand. It's just a U-bolt with a straight bolt welded at an angle on it, as you can see there. I'm going to use my turbo torch with the number 2 tip, and I solder it on with hard solder, and I slowly heat up the buckle, bring it up to temperature until the flux turns clear. I'm just going to take about 90 seconds to get this done. I try to concentrate the heat on the buckle and only a little on the crossbar. The main thing you want to heat up here is that thick buckle. It's about an 1/8 inch thick. And you've got to get the crossbar and the buckle at the same temperature for the solder to flow. After it's up to temp, I'm going to add the solder just right around the base of the crossbar, and I'm going to draw the solder around that base with the heat. And I want to get a good even flow all the way around the base of that crossbar. Okay, we've got that one. And we'll turn it around here and we'll get to the other side. And I just do the same thing. I put my heat on the thick buckle mainly and kind of slowly heat up the crossbar too until that flux on that side turns completely clear. Then I just add that solder and draw it around the base with the heat. You want to make sure you see solder all the way around that crossbar base. That lets you know that you've got a good soldering job done. And just cool it off and check it out. That third hand's really handy. You can see how it sits down on there and holds that bar down. You don't want that bar raising up while you're soldering it. You just drop it in some water and cool it off a little bit. I'll show it to you here. There we go. And the overlays are hard soldered on, so they don't move. Then I have to straighten out the tongue, get that done.